Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find the owner of a team in Microsoft Teams using iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Teams app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, at the bottom of the screen, tap on Communities. This shows all the teams you are a member of. Find the team you want to check and tap on it. You will see a list of channels under that team. Tap the three dot next to the team name and at the top, then select Manage Team. This will open the team management page with all members listed. On the Members tab, you will see a list of all team members. Look for the label Owner next to a person's name. This indicates who created the team or has administrative permissions. If you need help or want to request changes, tap on the owner's name to message them directly. You can also see others' roles like members or guests for reference. And that's it. That's how you find the owner of a team in Microsoft Teams on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.